All right, guys, so we are going to just jump right into it. So, the products I have for you today, most of these things can be purchased on Amazon. So, we're starting with mango butter, and I do not have any measurements. These are all eyeball. So, a few chunks of mango butter. Then, we're going to throw in a few scoops of avocado butter. I really just went with the spirits, and they told me when to stop. So we are going to melt those two down, and then we're going to add in our extras. So the first oil I'll be adding in is jojoba oil. Um, I'm just adding a few large drops of that. And then I add in my freshly cut aloe vera gel. I cut that last night and put it in the refrigerator. Then I am adding my homemade flaxseed gel. I've literally made this the same day that I'm making this butter. And you might see a few seeds in there. And that's because I struggled trying to even get it out of the bowl. And I'm not going to worry about those few seeds because I could literally just pluck them out. And then lastly, I added my natural preservative. And now I am mixing. And we are just going to mix that mixture up until we get a creamy consistency. And here she is, our creamy curling cream. Moisturizing curling cream. Don't know what to call her, but she's ready to perform. So it is a little, well, it's been cold in my room, so it is a little cold, but it definitely like melts to the touch. Definitely melts to the touch. So I just put what I think is enough. And I go along my hair. And by the way, my hair already has leave-in conditioner in it. I just put enough in my hair. And no, my hair has not been cut since I've colored my hair. That's why my ends are looking a little ratchet right now. But it is very moisturizing. And it leaves the hair feeling soft. So I'm going to do a braid out. So this is what she looks like before we dry her. The real test, because she's looking moisturized now because she's wet. But the real test is when she dries completely. So I will be back when she dries completely. Hi guys, so I am back, and because of life happening, I couldn't show the day one results, but this is my braid out. I was about to say braid and go, LOL. Braid out, and she's actually, I love her. First of all, she's giving me so much volume that it doesn't even look like I cut my hair. Like, you can tell I cut my hair, but the volume is there, baby. It's there. But yes, so my handmade cream. This is like the first time I've ever made this in my life, and I didn't have measurements, as I've said multiple times. This was the end result, and she's not looking ashy. She's not looking ashy. That's all I gotta say. Like, as long as my hair does not look like that ashy blonde and looking all, well, my edges are like ashy blonde, but we're not gonna talk about that. But she's shiny and she's soft and she still moves. Like, for it to be a heavy butter, she still moves. Like, that's all. Like, so I'm so glad I stumbled across this recipe. Like, next time I'll probably put more flaxseed gel and a little ease up on the butter. But I think everybody who has hair like me should try it. I think everybody should try anything that they see to see if it works. You know, trial and error. You might find a gem. Diamond in the rough. You know what I'm saying? So I really enjoyed making this, and I will definitely make it again. Thanks you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to try to be more consistent. Subscribe, like, and comment, and question anything you like.